Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Sacred Space crate for the month of February. I want you guys to please, if you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Let's check it out. Ooh. All right, let's see. Prophetic Dreams, yes! The February lunar calendar with the lunar information for when the moon is in each sign. It says Lunar. Lavender. Smells very good. I don't know, this one looks like Yerba Santa. And something else. I don't know. I want to say tobacco, but that can't be right. I don't know. It smells nice and it looks nice, so I'm excited about that. We got a lavender sachet. Ooh, that's big. Oh, my goodness. Oh. All right, we've got Dream Tea. Let me smell it. Very nice. It smells delicious. We've got a spray here. Mugwort Dream Cream with lavender. Just one drop will do. Wow, cool. I don't have anything like that. Got a candle here. Ooh, pretty. Let me put that right here for now. We've got a beautiful dream with a Dreamcatcher on the front. Feels like hand-tooled leather. Looks like it's hand-bound. It's got a little clasp here. Looks like made paper. Very nice. Oh, we got a beautiful Feather Bookmark. I used to have one plain with no tassel, but I lost it and I was really sad. So that's wonderful. Love that. Beautiful. Oops, déjame ver. Okay. Ooh. Okay, there we go. I'll get everything back in the frame once I've got it all out. Wait, I got one more small item over here. It looks like a stone. Pretty. Let's keep these dilly balls all contained. We got a beautiful Dreamcatcher here, it looks like. Oh, pardon me. Sometimes these dilly balls have like dust on them or something that I don't. Always makes me sneeze. I just love Melissa's creations. Let's see what's. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Oh my God, I love it, Melissa. Look at this. And then it's got, these are shells. This is shells. Smells amazing. It feels so good. It's beautiful. Then it's got little ones here. Oh my God, this is going up. Definitely. Oh my God, it smells good. I love it. 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 Okay. Let's get everything together. Let me put this aside. There we go. And let's pull let's kind of get everything in frame so you guys can see it. We have a beautiful Dreamcatcher. We've got a dream journal with a bookmark. We've got a candle, incense, crystal, dream tea. Can you see that? Let me put it up here. Dream tea. We've got a beautiful dream cream, a moon calendar, lavender, and a smudge, or a, smoke wand. So, dream work is a subject that I have studied for years, and I'm very excited to finally have curated a box that I can use the opportunity to share the wisdom that I have acquired in understanding dreams and dream interpretation. I am trying not to make this introduction too long, but everything I am sharing is crucial to understanding the real meaning of your dreams and how you can use them in your practice. The first thing that is important to understand is that not all dreams are prophetic or a message from an outside source or entity. Actually, very few are, but it's important to know the difference. The source of your dreams is usually always from your subconscious. Everything you see, do, hear, and feel, including all your hopes and fears, go into your subconscious. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not real. All the information you have been subjected to is just one big web of reality in your subconscious. For example, when you watch a horror film, it is stored in your subconscious as something that you have experienced, therefore becoming realistic deep in your subconscious. Now throw out all those dream symbol interpretation dictionary books, because they are 90% crap. If you want to know the meaning of a symbol or event that took place in your dream, then ask yourself what it means to you. A lot of dream interpretation books have made dream interpretation more complicated than it should be to interpret. It's basically simply using common sense combined with your personal experiences and emotions. For example, if you have a nightmare that you're about to give a speech or meet someone new and then notice that you have no clothing on, then you are afraid of being exposed of something that you don't want them to know. I am pretty sure most of humanity has had that dream and figured it out pretty quickly if we understood what fears feed nightmares. If you have a dream or even a recurring dream of someone chasing you through the woods, it doesn't necessarily mean that someone is out to get you, but it more than likely means that you have stored some paranoia in your subconscious. Subconscious dreaming can be very prophetic as well. This is because your subconscious knows what is going to happen before your conscious mind does. That is why it is imperative that you keep a dream journal. It is possible to receive a prophetic dream or useful information from outside source, whether it be a loved one, guide, or angel. These types of dreams are usually lucid dreams, which means that you realize that you're dreaming during your dream. The source will bring this to your attention because they want the information stored in your conscious mind as opposed to your subconscious mind. I am a crone-aged witch that is very in tune to my dreams, but I can count how many of these dreams that I have had on both hands. But when I received them, I received information that was imperative to know for use in my practice or my personal life. Therefore, I cannot express enough how important journaling these dreams are, which leads us to the first and most important item in the box, the custom leather dream journal. I designed this journal exclusively for this box. It is important to use real leather that will age nicely without falling apart with excessive use. It is also important to design a dream journal that is the perfect size for your nightstand and for travel as well. And there is something so magical about writing on real parchment paper. Always keep this on your nightstand with a pen where it is convenient and ready to be wrote in as soon as you wake. Dreams are meant to be forgotten by your conscious mind, so it's very important to write them down as soon as you wake before you start thinking about anything else. Anyone that keeps a dream journal knows that even when you read through recent past entries, you don't remember the dreams you wrote about at all. But you will have an aha moment of, that dreams make so much sense now. So keeping a dream journal is the most important action you can take in understanding and prediction of prophetic dreams. Even your subconscious is always trying to tell you something important. This is awesome. I love this so far, guys. I'm so into this. Make sure to write down every detail you remember whether it makes sense or not. Include information about anything that is affecting your environment or mentality. For example, if you started a new diet or exercise or met a new friend or lost someone, conclude the entry with your initial interpretation and leave a space so that you can go back later with a different interpretation if you wish. Don't be afraid to use several pages for one entry. The Feather Bookmark. Feathers are an important symbol in my family's native practice because we believe that feathers symbolize a connection between heaven and earth. It also brings us messages and signs from the heaven. I added a lavender tassel to hold your place in the journal. custom Native American Dreamcatchers. Dreamcatcher comes from Native American culture. I see so many incorrectly made Dreamcatchers, so I wanted to include one that's culturally correct. There is a reason for the typical Native design. Dreamcatchers need to be completely webbed except for a tiny hole in the center. The protective stone is in place over the center hole. Feathers always hanging from the Dreamcatcher to carry your dreams. This webbing catches all your dreams, and only the dreams that serve you are allowed into the small hole. The dream then slides down the feathers into your head. The black obsidian arrowhead protects you like a weapon from nightmares. It is also important to place your Dreamcatcher within 6 feet of your head while you sleep. It's best if the sun reaches it during the day because the sun cleanses all the dreams that it caught overnight from it. These Dreamcatchers are larger than traditional Dreamcatcher, but I knew you would appreciate the larger size for decoration purposes. I can't wait. This is going to go above our bed, right above our heads, and this should get sunlight. A small celestite stone. The obsidian arrowhead is your stone of the month, but I wanted to add a small stone that you can add to your sleep pillow. Celestite is hard to sleep with since it's a geode, so to get an authentic piece that is polished, it comes very small. Our goal is to connect with our guides and spiritual leaders in our dreams to receive knowledge and wisdom from them. So having a celestite with you is very beneficial for this reason. Associated with celestial beings, celestite is strongly connected to divine energy and cosmic supernatural forces. As the result, this beautiful stone is best used for pursuing spiritual strength. Celestite promotes discernment or higher spiritual awareness. This makes the stone good for gaining understanding and promoting inner peace. Celestite is associated with the third eye chakra. All right, Mugwort and Lavender Sleep Pillow Sachet. Ooh, nice. It's Mugwort and lavender. I included a lavender sleep pillow in my previous box, but this one is mainly filled with Mugwort, which is highly beneficial in promoting prophetic and lucid dreaming. Sleep soundly with this dream-promoting pillow that can be tucked into your pillowcase to help you sleep. Mugwort Dream Cream. I usually make this formula into a salve, but instead of the salve, I wanted to make a cream that is much more observant in your skin and moisturizes at the same time. Keep this on your nightstand and rub at least one drop in your hands and a couple more on the soles of your feet. Ooh, that's really cool. Mugwort Smudge Stick. Mugwort is dreamweed, subtle sweet scent and dream-inducing qualities. Oh, so it's all Mugwort. I was completely wrong. Mugwort. Prophetic Dream Spell Candle. Right here. I hand-rolled this spell candle with the intention of bringing into the ability to bring prophetic dreams, then lightly rolled in Mugwort and lavender herbs. Ooh, nice. Lavender herbs. Organic dream tea. Especially blended for the dreamer. It's believed to stimulate vivid and easily recalled dreams. Caffeine-free. Perfect as a nightcap. Peppermint, chamomile, skullcap, mugwort, damiana, rosemary, and rose petals. Lavender incense sticks. Moon in the zodiac calendar. Next month theme is Ostara. And I absolutely love this box. Wow, 100% loved it. Yay. So, I've been getting this box for quite some time, and I highly recommend it. These look like australarp feathers. I have australarps, and they're black with like a green iridescent. It might not be though, but it looks like it to me. Yes, I have been getting this box for quite some time. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. So excited to get it every month. And I know that she's coming up with a different box that's going to be launched at some point soon in the future, which I will probably also be getting. So definitely check her out. I'm going to leave her information in the description below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.